Hi guys, how's it going? I hope you all are having a great day and welcome to the sixth episode of reactjs and Materialize CSS course. And today we will discuss what is it, because we are done with our component and we created our component, we nested it, and we did this throughout the previous video. So if you are not aware of this, you can check out previous video. And now let's start what is state. So as you can see, we'll start from the slider, and next I'll show you how you can create your state inside our code editor. So first let me show you what is state. So it's a JavaScript object. Yeah, just keep that in mind. It's not a very important thing, but you have to keep that in mind. It will be easy for you. So I hope you already know what is JavaScript object. If you don't know, then make sure you are learning JavaScript first. Yeah. So state saves data locally. Yeah, we already know that. Okay, and dynamically change data and UI in reactjs. Okay, what is that? Now let me show you my next slide. You will understand it. So as you can see, we have two things here. One is student state and another one is website page student data. So inside our student date, we are saving three things, like one is name equals to Jeet, ID, a random ID, and class name. So and inside and in our web page, we are fetching those data and showing it. So as you can see, we are seeing the name, the student ID, and also the student class. If you want to fetch any name from your state, you have to type this .state.name. Let me show you one more thing. Now this name changes dynamically. We had Jeet and the name was Jeet here. Now we have changed this name to Alex. So whenever we will go to our web page, we'll be able to say Alex here, and it will change dynamically. Like whenever you will change the data in your state, it will automatically get changes in your web page, because we are fetching our state data inside our web page. I know it's pretty much easy, and it will be easy for you to understand as well. So make sure you are understanding it. So in case if you don't know, this refers to the component we are working with, and state is the state of that component. Now you are like, what is that? Okay, don't worry, I will write our code and I will show you how you can create your state and how you can fetch your data inside from your state to your web page. For that, now we will go to our code editor. So as you can see, and now I am on Visual Studio Code, and if you can remember, we created these two components in our previous video. This is a test component and this is a class component. So let me just show you how you can create your state and how you can fetch those data inside your web page. So I'm just gonna delete this and also delete this because we don't need it. Make sure whenever you are declaring in state, you are using a class component, not functional component. So now let me show you how you can declare your state, and let's give it a name. Let's call it Jeet. Let's give the ID equals to some, oh my god, equals to something. What can I give it? Yeah, 5780. Oh shit, I think I make sure you are using these commas. They're really essentials. And the class, really, you're kidding me? Class equals to class 10. Now if I save this data, what do you think the result will be? Okay, see, we have no results, we have nothing here. Where is Jeep? Where is those others ID and class? No, for that you have to fetch those data. Now if I give it a h1 tag here, and let's give, okay, let me, okay, no, let's just use it. If I am, this is the component we are referring, state is the state of that component, and the name using there. If I save this now and go to see, I am Jeet, it's automatically changing the data and it's taking those data from our state, the state of the components. It's not confusing, right? You have to understand it, because that's how React works. State is saving data locally in our React application, and what it's doing, it's rendering. What we are doing here, we are fetching those data from the state and we are printing this dynamically in our browser. So in case I change this name to Alex, just as I showed you, see, it's changed. And that's how it works. It's really easy, and that's how you declare state, and that's how you call it. And if I say I am this, and I give it here, let's just make it some organized. Student name, the student ID. Now this will be this dot state dot ID, and also student class, and we'll fetch data again, this dot state dot class. Easy, huh? Pretty much easy. And as you can see, it's working perfectly, so perfectly that we can see everything here. I'm just gonna change this name Alex to Jit so that you can see it again, that dynamically changes. Yeah, as you can see, it's changing so fast. So that's it for the for state, guys, and I hope you understand it, because it's pretty much easy, and if you don't, then watch this video again, you will understand it, believe me. And we'll use component, state, events, we'll use all of this throughout the video series, and we'll explore this. For that, you have to subscribe to my channel and make sure you are liking this video, because it gives me motivation. And with all the thoughts, I'm gonna end this video here, and I hope you liked it and enjoyed it, and you will find me in next video. Bye.